I don't bring on another Lagos matter, my people. This one are Lasma and Keke man rider. They according to the matter wey reach me, they say the Lasma stop the Keke because the Keke bin dey carry 4 passengers inside Keke. And now according to the Keke man, the Keke say, he say he no carry 4 people, say na 3 people in carry, but they don't lie on top in head now, say he carry 4 people. My people now, so they can't tell this Keke rider, say may remove him boxer. They tell am may remove him boxer. I don't know when the punishment be that. Now so this guy self shame no even dey him body omo. I understand that say frustration wan kill am, so he just abeg for una wey no know wetin dey happen now. Before people start dey run away from Lagos, join me make we watch the video.
Hello. Mbelewa.
Mo ti wà bí báyìí o, mo ti wà bí báyìí, wọ́n ti fẹ́ pa mí, wọ́n ti fẹ́ pa mí, mo ti wà bí báyìí o. Mo ti wà bí báyìí náà ṣe kọ́kọ́, mẹ́ta mo gbé o, mi ò gbé báyìí o, mẹ́ta mo gbé o, mẹ́ta mo gbé o, mi ò gbé báyìí o, mẹ́ta mo gbé o, mi ò gbé báyìí.
See harassment. No, see harassment. This thing I no understand though. Hey, I wish say I fit get one vision so that I go know who they do this thing to Nigeria. God, how far? Is it this night? I need to see who do this thing to us. People just dey commit. In fact, this one no be sin. Sin sef na understatement. I dey look for name. Wetin I go call this thing? The guy sef get mind. Remove boxer like that for express. You no mind, you no care, you no look left, right. Abeg, my question na for these Lasma people. Wetin dey use person boxer do? Na rituals? Abi Baba don tell them say for them to graduate or for them, I no understand. Wetin una dey use person boxer do? And even using ordinary hand sef carry am. Ordinary hand. Una get mind. Hey, una get mind. Una get mind. Are they serious? Una never even jammed wrong people. See now, why they vex every time? All of una wey dey do juju for Nigeria, you get power. Because wetin happen? Where una dey? You carry person boxer with your bare hands. You don't even know whether this person a ghost. You don't know wetin they use that boxer do sef before you wear am. You don't even know where this person they come from, where they go. You just hi. I dey sure say that boxer sef no dey smell. Because if that box I will forgive me because I don't even understand. If that boxer they smell, they not for even ask am for am. You know they smell. You get people if they wear boxer for you. If they wear boxer, hey, maybe that one where they don't wear like 1 week, just a piece they put am back. By the time you remove am, all those last man, all the three of them will stand there now, so they go just run, they go leave am. Bros, your boxer was not smelling. You have. You know, chase them away with that smell. Now wetin you my people just increase everywhere for Nigeria. My people just even the keke rider say follow mad. How you go remove your boxer like that? Frustration no. See, una say all these drivers wey if they dey waka or if they dey drive, they carry weapons. I no blame them. Now because of people like this. Because they need to defend themselves, my people. We no go blame them. They need for this country. Since Nigeria now, no police where you fit call, no court where you go settle case. Nothing, you are on your own. Or your OYO, you are on your own. So I no go blame them if they carry weapons up and down because nobody to defend them again. Nobody to report case to again. I just wish, I don't even understand. Like, I don't get wish again, my people. Make I not tell you, say I just wish. My wish has finished. My wish don't finish. I don't know what to do again for this country to be better. I don't know. Because this one now, see happen now. No be say they go arrest them. Now so you go just pass. You don't finish. Nobody go arrest anybody. Nobody go carry case. Nobody, they no go even sack anybody. In fact, now so this matter go just die. Wetin we suppose do? Abeg, if you get solution, drop am there, because now this one wey I bring like this, my people, I no get solution. My head is blank. So anything wey you guys talk concerning this case, talk am for that comment section. But the important thing wey I want make una help me do na just two things: subscribe, share this video so that people go see wetin dey happen. You never can tell, maybe change fit start from this one. Very, very important, you understand? Maybe we just keep our hope high. And abeg, stay out of trouble. Anything wey you fit do to avoid these people, abeg, avoid them, so that you no go just cause unnecessary embarrassment. Very, very important, because now see all the uniform people now, they don dey flow cycle. Na cycle. You understand? Abeg, very, very important. Still, my people, now me be this your Procom madam, and don't go far. Stay tuned for our next story. Ole, ole, no. How did they sing that song when person they marry? Another wedding is on the way. In fact, it is already here. Let me just talk like that. For now, we no know wetin dey shele. Slippers on top bicycle, all of una wey like dey sleep. Buhari pikin dey marry. President Buhari, his son Yusuf Buhari, is getting married, and this one, in fact, they don't set everything. It dey happen with wetin be this lady name, Zara Bayero, Kanu princess. They marry. And according to Daily Nigeria, they said the wedding go take place in 2 or 3 months' time. Both parents have agreed. Buhari don't go meet princess people too don't meet Buhari people. So everything is set. Now they understand why wetin be they call that woman name? Why Buhari wife come back? Aisha. Now because I don't dey think since wetin bring this woman. And I remember say I tell her, say she don't call Nigeria. No knowing say now their plan be this. I mean, they think say this woman miss Nigeria, she miss us. Okay, sorry, una. I tell una say I know they part of this thing. I think say she miss una. When she come, she dey come check on im children, mother of all nation. No knowing say na wedding they come plan. Shame on Nollywood. Now only for Nollywood, you go see Prince, they marry village dancer. Real life, rich marries rich, poor marry poor, hoodlums marry hoodlums. So Africa magic, una don dey deceive us since all this while. You go see one prince dey inside in car, you go see one girl wey dey sell orange. Now so you go just park. Hey, how you doing? I like you. I want to marry. Nah, lie. No, this is reality. Okay, why Buhari pikin no go look for one village dancer or banana seller? See them. Now they come marry. Wait, another thing where I even notice for this matter, say wey make me even bring her outside. Abeg, wetin dey call her? Not nurse, abi their female ones. They know they cover her head. Some of them even cover their eyes. How come this one? Abeg, put this guy picture. See am. So this one now wey no cover her hair, no wear hijab. So this one na wetin? So now nobody go come outside complain, say, you know wear hijab. Now, no, see am. She no wear hijab. Hijab now for poor people. Abi hijab, they exclude am for royalty. Una sabi come outside. See them, oh. I know these people plan. They wan rotate power among themselves. Now wetin they do? E go shock una tomorrow now, una go hear say Buhari is taking the presidentship title, put her on top Yusuf in son. Now their plan be this. I know they see. Nigeria, our small money wey we dey manage. Small money wey we dey manage. No, una don think am financially. Who wan sponsor this wedding? Now our money they go use. So forget am. Another budget is coming. Una go hear. Hey, the amount. No, relax. Una no say na why I dey here. I'm here to serve you people. I go bring una the not estimate amount. Oh. I go bring una the exact amount wey they spend on this wedding. See President Buhari. He don't do. All the 8 years wey he rule Nigeria. He don't use opportunity now. Make all him children marry. No, nah, relax. Because the reason why they do this thing now because by 2023, if they come out for that, no be if. When they come out for that seat, my people, if you no see money do wedding again. So now he has to use the opportunity that is in power and he's getting the billions and billions and billions to run. See opportunists. All of them. I talked them before. Now why they tell us say, please, before we put person for that seat, make sure say the person get money, the person don't taste the money. Because if you bring poor people there, never know anything. People where they never see money before, when at their first time, now so their eyes go they shine, people. It go they shine because they never see them before. So when they see them now, they want use all the opportunity where they get scatter around. I beg, if I be you, I no go marry. Bros, I dey talk to you, Mr. Yusuf. I no go marry because see, I no go last. This wedding no go last. If you like, call and swear. If you like, call am anything way you want call her. Call sing, call, it no go last. Wedding on top scam. Wedding on top corruption. No, where the foundation? When are they build now? I bet no finish our money. Oh. No finish our money. Very, very important. I know get time for this stress. So they come bring us now. Now go they lie. They give us prizes. They give us budget. They give us many things. I beg my people. This one I don't even feel call am good news because to me, I don't know for now. To me, I know they see the good way this thing they do for my life or for the country. No be say if he marry now, corruption go subside. No be say if he marry now, things go change. I beg you. Now base of the same feather, same thing. Before you know now we go start to hear another matter. Because I say make I just bring am, give una small. I'm a boy understand as usual. Because my mouth don't feel shut off of matters like this. Impossible. I have to bring it to una side. So what you think concerning this thing? I beg, how many of una there with me? This wedding must not hold. Yes, so it must not hold. So start the drop off for that comment section. And if you no say people they will need hear this matter. Hey, I beg share this video because they need hear. Very, very important. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you gonna miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.